Welcome back to iMotors Mind, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of luxury cars and bikes. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2024 BYD Frigate07, a vehicle that's turning heads and setting new standards in the hybrid SUV segment. The Frigate07 boasts a commanding presence on the road, with its sleek lines and bold front grille. This SUV is not just about looks, it's designed to impress, with aerodynamic features that enhance both performance and efficiency. The LED headlights, with their sharp, angular design, add a futuristic touch, making it clear that the Frigate07 is a vehicle of the future. BYD has paid attention to every detail. The 20-inch alloy wheels not only look stylish but also contribute to a smoother ride. The aerodynamic bodywork ensures minimal drag, which plays a crucial role in the vehicle's impressive fuel efficiency. Step inside the Frigate07, and you're greeted by an interior that screams luxury. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials used throughout. The leather seats are both comfortable and supportive, making long drives a breeze. But the real star of the show is the tech. The Frigate07 comes equipped with a massive 15.6-inch touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. And for the tech enthusiasts, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a state-of-the-art sound system that turns every drive into a concert. Under the hood, the Frigate07 is powered by a plug-in hybrid system that combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a total output of 401 horsepower, giving you plenty of power when you need it. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. And with the range of up to 120 kilometers on electric power alone, the Frigate07 is perfect for both city commutes and long road trips. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the great outdoors, the Frigate07 handles it all with ease. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction on all surfaces, and the adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. In terms of safety, the Frigate07 doesn't cut corners. It comes packed with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, giving you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. The 2024 BYD Frigate07 is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of innovation, luxury, and performance. If you're in the market for a hybrid SUV that offers the best of both worlds, the Frigate07 should definitely be on your short list. Thanks for tuning into iMotors Mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest luxury cars and bikes. Until next time, drive safe.